Michelle, and I'm going to show you how to remove and reinstall your basket on your Qool stroller. So when you reorder a basket, it will come with this mesh front for your stroller. So we're going to remove these things first. Right here on the side is a zipper. So you're just going to unzip that little mesh piece. If I can grab the zipper. There we go. There we go. So take that off first. Then I like to start here in the back. And there's just some snaps here that you're just going to unsnap. 1, 2, 3. And then if you push this forward, you'll see there's 3 more snaps here. And these are kind of holding your brake line in place so it doesn't get caught underneath. So we'll undo these. 1, 2, 3. So the back part is off. Then we have some snaps here on the side. We'll do this one first. There's 3 on each side. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. All right. Now that all the snaps are disconnected, we have a zipper. If you look right in here, you have 2 zippers. So you've got one that goes this way and one that goes that way. And now you have removed your basket on your Qool stroller. Now, to put it back on, I'm just going to work backwards from what we did. So just unzipping the front here. You want to make sure that these little drawings, are facing you, like you can read them. I'm going to take my zipper. Okay. Now we're going to attach the front zippered part from the sides up here. I already got it started. You just pull your zipper down to the middle till it stops. Then we have our other zipper attached, zip till the middle and it stops. Then I'm going to put my sides up. They're going to go over the outside of the bar and in. 3 snaps. 1, 2. These are like industrial snaps, so they're big and they're hard to do sometimes, but just give it a good push. All right, now the other side, up and over and around. And snap, snap, snap. Now don't forget, we want to put the brake wire in this little slot over here. So lift that piece up, find those snaps. I like to start with the middle one, wrangle it in. One, 2, 3. See how that's in there? Then over the top again with the back. 1, 2, 3. Now the last step is the front piece of mesh. So you want to make sure you have it lined up here. Just insert it in the zipper. I can see it. Pause. Now, lastly, you're going to take your little piece of mesh that goes on the front of your stroller and attach it back to the zipper. I don't know. Now you're going to put on your mesh piece of fabric that goes on the front of your stroller. I already have it started here. You're going to zip it from the inside and then just take that zipper down all the way around and up. Just tuck it there. And you have now removed and installed your basket.